Yesterday, we learned about present tense verbs. So today, we're going to learn about past tense verbs. So past tense. What does past tense mean? The past means that something has already happened. Past tense verbs end in ed. So yesterday, we learned about present tense verbs. If we go back in the past or back in time, that's when past tense verbs happened. So let's think about when we do our calendar report. So let's pretend that today is here. If we go back in the past, that's where yesterday would be. So let's use that example and keep that in our mind when we're thinking about the past. So we know that past tense verbs end in ed when they're in a sentence. So let's read these 4 examples to see how verbs change when they're written about something that has already happened. Yesterday, Renee chased her brother around the house. Do you guys see how the verb chase changed in chased because we're talking about the past? Next, Miss Kim finished making our homework. And once again, the past tense verb has ed. Jaden watched fun videos on YouTube. Christopher worked on his writing homework. So remember, when you guys are doing your own past tense homework, I want you guys to remember that whenever you see a past tense verb in the sentences that you guys will be working on, the past tense verbs will end in ed.